Hi guys, today we'll be making slime. I got the visitor right here. So we got, let me see this product. My mom act like I can't use her bowl, so this is what we will be using. It's not nothing in there. So yeah, that slime already have been in there. And also, so we got how many bottles of glue? Let me see.
2.
Hold on y'all, let me see if I can set this camera up somewhere. So we are going to be sitting right here outside.
Making sure nobody kidnapped.
My brother them over there playing football. I'm finna show y'all. Okay, hold on. Somebody is walking past. Okay. My brother is the one with the Jordan jacket and the blue gym short. My cousin is the one with the 4th of July pants on, I think. So yes, they playing. And that is
My brother.
That is her brother, the visitor that I show y'all. So yeah, they playing football. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned on game. So yeah.
So let's get right into
Hold on. So we're not gonna get right. Where my other glue? You got the other glue off the couch? Cause I thought you had both.
That one had you put on the couches right there.
Hold on, let me go be back. I'll be back. I gotta go look for it.
In there.
No, cause I had bought another one. So you gonna stay out here or you coming with me?
Look, Nitty. The one you put on the couch is in here.
Okay, I know I had bought I had got another one. I'm trying to look for it. I look by my other bottle. Thank you. We're gonna need this.
Here, get this.
No. Okay, and
Here, just put it in there.
no. So yeah, we got this. Oh no, we got this. This is. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Cause y'all can't see it from over there. So, can y'all read that now? Like a big bucket of it. Not really. So yeah, I got one for Christmas, and I already know. So yeah. Again, y'all stay lit on
Tune and lit.
game. Yeah, so let's get right to the video. Now we finna, I don't know my other glue, but I know I had bought another glue, but it's okay. I'm waiting for my auntie to come do my hair. I might get flat. So yeah. Let's go. We're gonna start with,
No white glue.
which one you want? Cause I'm having one and you having one.
I don't have the clear glue, but we could start with this one.
Okay.
Let's put that back in order. We didn't even say let's get right into the video, or we didn't even explain what we got though.
Okay, we got shaving cream. We got
Tide.
Tide, and we
already showed you that thing. So
got
now
these
we
two
got
glues. But I had another one, but I don't know what the other one at. But okay, not a big deal.
Not a whole bunch.
Yeah, cause this one gonna be mine. Cause you say you want a clear one,
Oh yeah.
so we're gonna let you use the clear. We're gonna let you get the clear one. Oh crap!
You go get that off. I'll help you. Y'all, she got it all over her shirt. Well,
I
almost.
got all this glue right here.
You can just try to. Yeah. Oops.
hate this sticky glue.
It feel like I got a big jug in my hand because it's taking a whole bunch out of this freaking glue bottle. It's a tiny little glue bottle.
Okay, anyways, which one you want to put? Shaving cream first?
Ain't we supposed to put shaving cream first?
Yeah, I think so. But anyways, let's go.
Yeah, if you want.
Oh crap!
They'll go crazy. Take
I
the cap off.
hope we got the right freaking shaving cream too.
Me too. guess what we didn't get though?
Die. Okay, this is the right shape.
We're just gonna have to do it like that. Oh my god, that ain't the right one.
Mhm.
No.
This better not mess up my slime. I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be pissed.
Girl, you forgot to.
Okay. Well, let me show y'all.
I'm mixing it, so yeah. It's actually her sign, but not mine. But yeah. You guys probably get what I'm trying to say. I left my big glue bottle. I should have brought it because I knew. Oh my gosh. Because I knew.
Okay, this is hers. We're gonna be making hers.
Next.
So right now I'm letting her mix mine. Because
Okay.
I run that way because she coming this way.
what happened? What happened, Mario?
Go ahead.
Mario!
Mario! What happened? Okay, now I gotta add a little bit more. Huh, Nitty? She's gonna add a little bit more.
This better be the right freaking shaving cream,
Because
cause
it's not even making your slime a little thick. Okay, that's enough. Unless you want to have a big pieces of slime. Let's get that off the edge, because that's where I'm gonna have to
Okay.
put my hands. It is literally cold, you guys. So
it's not really cold.
not
but-
that cold, but I'm mixing it. She placed the camera in a different direction. Well, while she do that, make sure it's not getting on her hands. But while she do that, I will be playing with this kind of slime. I had made this one, but I had to find the thing that goes with that.
Look at all the shaving cream.
Ooh. I don't want to add no more dye. I don't want to add dye. But
I
mine's
don't
gonna
like this.
be. Let me feel.
I don't like. Get that stuff off your ass.
But, If this,
I don't like this slime because look, it's
it's not even stretchy.
Hey, y'all watch out when they get this.
Okay, guess we gotta move.
No, I don't want to move.
We should never sat right here in the
First place.
Because I knew this was gonna happen again.
Hold on. Let me get this.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of sticky.
Not kind of sticky because it's a lot of shaving cream in it. And when they say when you put a lot of shaving cream in slime, guess what happened to it? You're going to have a look. See how big that piece that she got in her head? It's going to be like this in the morning.
What?
Because I have a lot of shaving cream and plus it's like, it's not.
And plus, you should add just a tiny bit.
Oh, look at this.
Now she can mix it up. Actually, you gotta do it with your hands because get that tied. Yes. Now keep doing it. I know I'm not gonna move, baby. You better just watch out for us.
Period.
You know you ain't supposed to be driving fast anyways. So I'm gonna get all her slime. At the container so I can.
Really?
Huh? Get your slime.
Hold on.
Nitty. Come on here. I'm trying to make mine. Nitty, here. Get your stuff. It feels kind of weird when she put it up.
Dang, I know you don't want to go help them. You want to help them?
Oh, that's what talking to me. I'm like, she ain't calling me though. Hey, no.
No, it's going to be cold.
It's gonna be cold. I'm used to it. Yes, it is. Shut up.
Huh? I'm gonna throw it away. I don't want this one. Because it's not made right.
I told you gotta. You remember what you said? Add a little water. Guess I forget what you said. I'm just about to rub this into my hands, and I don't really want to because I don't want some on my hands actually.
So, yeah, when we done making slime, I'm going to just do a vlog with
Me and her.
hot fries.
Hot fries and anything. But
Okay, you can put yours in there.
so
Hey, watch
out!
that big old U-Haul truck. Watch out.
Oh.
Watch out. Watch out. We sitting right here. Okay, period.
Turn it real quick. So I kind of got her.
Talk to them.
Oh.
So, y'all, when I might be making a YouTube channel. I might. I might be
Making another ball.
no, what else did I say? I don't know what I was gonna say. But yeah. Y'all stay lit. Stay tuned on. So yeah. Right now, she's finna make hers, so I'm gonna put the camera on you while you put yours in there, so you can go ahead.
Okay, so first I'm gonna use a little bit of this because I'm not even sure.
You can put all of it. It's not gonna mess up.
But I kind of, it's okay. But I kind of almost got her slime out of the can. Because literally I don't want white things inside this. Because it's clear and it won't match. And it's going to look kind of ugly in the inside when you do it. Whatever. But it's a sprinkler. It's the things in it. But right now I'm about to be pouring this right now. So I would try this, but oh gosh.
Ooh.
I really love clear glue, so that's why I'm not trying to pour all of it. I can make 2.
Look, guys. Look. Hold on.
You
Ready?
can make a bubble.
Set. Look, watch that. Put this. Hold on, let me zoom in so y'all can see.
Look at directly at her mouth.
It don't take nothing but like shaving cream and Tide, which is
Yeah.
I could wait. Hold on.
Yeah.
Look at. So let me show them something. Wait, I don't think the camera fell. Ready?
Second
Wait.
thing, I
Wait.
got
Let me.
so I had the weight on.
Ready? Set. Three. Pop. Pop. Okay.
Okay, but I'm about to just pour the whole thing. It's gonna be.
Wednesday I get to come first. Thursday I got up early.
I had to look my eyes up right now. I thought it was gonna be perfect, but this whole entire glue is filling up this whole entire thing.
You know what I'm saying?
Dang, guys, look, it's filling up the whole
Look
entire
at this
thing.
side to you.
Wait, not yet.
Yes.
Wait, I'm trying to. No, I'm about to add shaving cream now. A little. Where's the shaving cream?
Oh crap! Hold on. Don't move the camera. Let me see that. Yes.
Because nobody's using that. Oh, I got more glue inside this bottle.
I wait the 30 minutes.
It's like a whole entire pool. I got it.
Make sure they get this.
I got it. That's enough. That's enough. Where's the spoon? Oh. Unless you gonna do it. They fell. I don't even know.
That's it. Don't add no more, cause I'm telling you, yours gonna be messed up like mine.
Okay, that's it. I don't really want that much. Tie it. I was about to say I don't really want that much glue. I had to look at it. I said, "Tap." Oh my gosh, nope. I'm about to still mix. I'm trying to get hers out of there so she can get hers in
What the
there.
heck? That was tight on there?
Yeah.
The whole... Ah! That almost fell.
It's all over her pants too.
Where? Oh crap, I'm gonna have to change my pants, period.
But now it's not turning good. I'm gonna just mix because I still see a little bit of tide and I'm trying to get all the stuff inside the tide. Wait, let me get a piece.
Yes, we're gonna get a piece.
Okay. Matter of fact,
Sticky, oh my god.
sticky.
Oh no.
Super duper sticky. Oh, and guys, I'm giving up. Me and her's giving out free slime. Oh gosh.
Let me get right there. Okay, what you gonna have to do is pull tight on my hands.
Okay.
I would pick it up with my mouth, but nah.
I'm gonna wait 20 minutes
I
later.
don't know how you do that. It's hard.
Damn, man.
Oh,
no,
crap.
that's when it goes traffic, bro. It's fucked up, bro.
It is super
It's
duper
sticky when we pick it up.
sticky. I know I should have kept mixing.
What?
Exactly.
That means we gotta pour more shaving cream. A little.
I am, man. I'm about right there at the exit,
Let's
bro.
keep
It's getting
dropping it.
cold out here. I'm about to go back
So
inside.
I'm like,
I'm not.
But my mama said we can't make slime in her house,
just let that bitch. I'm
so
already stuck. I'm already here, bro.
yes.
Just let
Can't
that
go
bitch chill.
in.
And plus, every time I make slime, my sister them
She be like,
20,
get out my room, which is not her room, which is really my room. So y'all, I'm about to get ready to end this video.
not
And
yet.
in probably about like in 3, 2, like in
When
3 minutes.
when the man whatever when Mario come back, probably if he come back at night, then I'm definitely ending this video because who would like ending this video at night when you have to be doing the bed. But tomorrow's Christmas Eve and
Period.
I'm gonna be with them.
Oh, I like your slime. Let's
you do that?
switch on. Yeah,
No.
I'm just kidding.
I don't know how you control that kind. Dang! I need.
Let me see, huh?
Then I'm gonna add some on this. Oh wait, it's actually getting all this stuff off my hands right now. Yeah, that ain't good.
Yes, it is. It's just in the noodle process. When you have your slime like,
Like this.
when you have your slime like this in the noodle process, you gotta give it about like 2 minutes or so.
So,
You had left it in that tide. Now it's gonna be hard. You probably don't want to mix it with that because it's gonna be hard now. Okay, y'all, see how it's out of the noodle process? It just need water on it because this crazy food just left it in the tide. Oh my God, this is so Hardington. When I mean Hardington, I mean that it's so hard. Let me see. Let's put that to the side. See? This.
Girl, now stuck. I know how to control it, but she just took it, and I had to do this to help something. Guys, she got.
Okay, where your other glue? That's in your mama's car. In your book bag.
Oh yeah. You go get it.
So we can make some more. So y'all, she finna go her mama glue. I mean, her glue on her mom's car. So